Alright guys, this video is related to the univariate outliers, and we are following the steps of or following the method of Z-score to detect the univariate outliers. So what you have to do is you have to first calculate the Z-score values of each of the items. So you have to click on analyze, click on descriptives, select all the items. So in the last video I told you that if you have missing values in the data, you have to select the underscore terms, but in the data sheet I do not have any missing values in the data, so I'm just selecting all the items which do not have underscore. So I just select all. There's an option of save standardized with values as variable, and then press OK. I'm just minimizing this output. Okay, actually I saved all the values of Z-score of each of the item. If I drag this file, I can see the Z values over here. So what I have to do is I have to copy all these Z values in an Excel sheet. So I'm just copying all these values, Control C. Okay, open an Excel sheet. I'm just skipping our first row and first column and copying all the items over here. Here I have to copy serial number cell from my SPSS sheet. So I'm just going here and I'm just copying my serial number cell, which is quite important because okay, I just copied over here. So what is the method of Z-score is the value which is greater than 3.29 is considered as a univariate outlier, or the value which is less than minus 3.29 is considered as multivariate outliers. So I'm just selecting all the Z-score values and opting a conditional formatting from the Excel. So highlight cells greater than 3.29 and again check it. Did it highlight any of the value? So I can see that there is no value, that is red. So I have to select for the less than minus 3.29 and just I press OK. There is no missing value in this data. Let's assume that this value appeared red. Let's assume. So what you have to do is you have to identify which serial number is this. If this is 8, after this you have to come in your data sheet, check your serial number from this sheet or from this cell. Here is 8, you have to select it and then clear it. Now let's assume that this is also red, so you have to see the serial number of this. This is 13, so you have to identify from the serial number cell, not from the serial number that is of SPSS, because now after deleting one value it becomes 12 and now you can see that it is 13. So you have to see the value of this, see the numbering from the serial number cell. So this is 13, so you have to delete this, and after deleting all the outliers, save your file, and that's it. Thank you so much.